Now you want the bobbin to go into the bobbin holder so that the thread just comes around on the same angle to go in this slot there, and you pull it all the way, yeah, past that spring. That's the tension spring. Focus here, and then like that. Just put that straight down over the peg here. Flip that shut. Hold on to this one. Wind with your hand on the flywheel. And can you see there? The hook has the thread. Make sure you keep the tension on this other top thread. And just keep pulling on it. There's the loop.